Hey there, Tad Argo from Marketing for Hippies. Today I want to talk about courtesy marketing. So this is a phrase I got from one of my colleagues. I just thought, what a great way of framing it. That not marketing is, there's the really gross, pushy, obviously aggressive kind of marketing. And then there's marketing that feels really good, but there's stuff in between where there's nothing so overtly offensive about it, but it still doesn't feel quite right. And I think a lot of this has to do with the lack of courtesy or etiquette. It's not courteous to spam people. It's not courteous to add people to your email list without asking. It's not courteous to invite somebody for coffee and then surprise, it's not really coffee, it's an Amway presentation. The bait and switch is not. And it's not courteous to get people in a room for a free presentation and then put on all the pressure for them to buy at the end. To use closing techniques, to use techniques on people, period, to get them to buy is so disrespectful of other people because it doesn't treat them like a people. So courtesy, this old-fashioned, old-time thing, is so critical in marketing if we want it to really feel good. And if you're just looking for a metric, an adjective, a quality to bring to your marketing, this is a really good one to bring. To look at everything you're thinking about doing. Is this courteous? Now, of course, you can go too far on the side of so much courtesy you don't do anything. But this is one of the qualities I think is most important. It's not courteous to corner people, It's not courteous to do the assumptive close of, hey, well, which one do you want to buy? As opposed to asking, where do you think we should go from here? You can just think about everything you know about courtesy, everything your grandmother taught you about courtesy and manners and etiquette, and all that stuff that seems hopelessly antiquated. And you apply it to marketing, and all of a sudden marketing feels better. Courtesy is a big deal, and it's so missing in the world. It's certainly missing in the world of business, because courtesy comes from a place of affirming other people's humanity. Courtesy comes from a place of saying, I see you. I see that you are a human being just like me. I see that you are some expression of the divine just like me. I see that you have worth and sovereignty and autonomy as a human being just like me. And instead of just saying that to people, which is cheap and easy and confusing when you say it but then you don't do it, but you, instead of just saying it, you behave as if it's true. You behave as if that's so. That's how you proceed in your marketing. So I'm probably preaching to the choir on this one, I realize, but it's a big thing. How do I make sure that this feels good? Okay, we'll start with, is it courteous? And notice when the marketing you receive feels bad, see if you can track the lack of courtesy in it. My guess is you'll find it. Okay, I'll leave this one here. Thanks so much, everybody. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Share it in the Facebook groups you're in on Facebook, other social medias that you're on, Telegram, Signal, whatever. And you can subscribe. Of course, the red button, hit the little bell icon. It'll tell you when my new videos come out. And you can join my email list, marketingforhippies.com. Follow me on Facebook. That's it for today.